What's up guys, this is Chris from Subimods, and today we're here with the brand new 22 WRX. We're going to be throwing on some of the first mods that we have for it. Being a brand new car, obviously there aren't too many parts on the market for it. There are a lot of companies developing parts and we can't wait to see them. But for today, we have some Subaru OEM parts. So we're going to get it up in the air and we're going to get started with it. First things first, we're going to take care of the most important part of the car, getting some more sound out of it. So we're going to be taking off these bulky stock mufflers and replacing them with this STI Performance Axleback. This axleback features some fancy tips here that kind of replicate the fender shape, and also features these nice canister style mufflers to produce a bit more sound and hopefully get a little bit more power too. So now that we got the exhaust on, the second thing we're going to be doing underneath the car today is putting on a skid plate. So if you plan on lowering your vehicle like we do, it's very important to protect your oil pan and everything else underneath your engine. A nice metal skid plate will do the job. We're going to put it on the car now. Let's get it on. So now we got the skid plate installed. The bottom of our engine is nice and protected for when we end up lowering the car. Now we're going to get the car on the ground and we're going to see how this STI axleback sounds. Moving around to the front of the vehicle here, the last thing we're going to be installing today is this new sport grille from Subaru. While we're at it, we're going to be taking the emblem off and actually installing this fancy LED glowing emblem. So let's get to it. So now we got the sport grille installed. Definitely helps clean up the front end a little bit, sportier look. We also installed the LED grille emblem And we're going to shut the lights off and see how much that glows. That's all the mods we have for our 22 WRX today. To recap, we installed the STI Performance Axle Back for a little bit more sound, a little bit more power. We also installed the Subaru OEM skid plate to protect the underneath of the car for when we lower it. And we also added the Sport Grille and the LED emblem. Make sure you subscribe to follow along with our 22 WRX build. We've got a lot of other parts coming along the way. We also have our 22 BRZ that's getting a few more parts in the next few weeks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.